Well, I think there's been a lot of uncertainty, regulatory uncertainty over the last number of years. Everybody is not sure where things are going to go. We're seeing a big move towards CBDCs globally. So our clients, who are banks and large financial institutions and corporates, they they're not sure where to go. There's a lot of uncertainty. Who knows how things are going to be regulated? And then our institutions are going to have to perhaps hold, store, send, and receive digital assets on behalf of their customers, but they don't know yet what form that will take. Will it involve their existing technology stacks, or will they require a distributed ledger technology in order to meet these new needs? So there's a lot of, I would say, uncertainty. I think what's clear is that as cryptocurrencies saw a large use of digital assets in various forms among the general public and really captured the imagination, what we're seeing now is the idea that digital liabilities, such as claims on central banks or on commercial banks, might, will be used to facilitate payments globally and the movement of money using blockchain technology. And for me, this is probably the most exciting. This is going to be where large organizations are involved in using blockchain technology to create 24/7 movement of money on a scale that hasn't been seen before outside of the area where cryptocurrencies have looked at speculation. So just in the core of payments, the core of the way the world moves money, we're going to see a lot of blockchain technology in there. That all has to be regulated. We have to look at interoperability. We have to look at how the world communicates. And for us at Citi, we're a party to conversations in over 100 countries, where we're trying to navigate this with our regulators, with our clients as well. Yeah, I think the RegTech industry, before I was at Citi, I was CEO of various RegTech firms in AML, onboarding, KYC, transaction and event monitoring, all of the core of what we're seeing today with such a vibrant conference here. Um, all of that work, there was a large focus around PSD2 and the GDPR before. Now with new regulations coming down the line with MiCA coming to life and how banks are going to enable digital currencies of their own, digital assets, digital liabilities, CBDCs, there's going to be a new wave of regulation, and the companies and the experts in this room will be able to apply their skills into this new domain, and the financial industry will need their help to navigate these new challenges as they emerge. So, it's an exciting time for the RegTech industry. It'll be just new challenges, new opportunities, and I'm sure a lot of the companies here will thrive as a result. Yeah, well, I think we've seen Europe leading with MiCA there, giving some clarity around digital assets in Europe. I think we're going to see a lot of individual countries handle digital assets of various sorts, not just tokenized cash, tokenized commercial bank money, CBDCs. We're going to see digital assets in the form of tokenized securities, tokenized funds. So there's going to be a wave of regulation. There's going to be a lot of discussion, a lot of collaboration between the industry to find the best way to navigate this new landscape. So there's over 100 regulators exploring CBDCs, some very advanced, and they're all looking at tokenized assets and of various forms, the securities, the funds, things like that too. So there's a huge amount of work to be done. It's going to be constant. It's almost like there's a new regulatory response that we need to look at across 95 countries every day. So it's going to be really busy. So our clients outside of the US, where we have a large retail presence, we're mainly focused as a commercial bank supporting large corporates, large financial institutions, large public sector entities, governments. we're supporting them by having done so much research in the space, in the blockchain and digital asset space. We've been working since 2014. We've been investing in companies, we've been partnering, we've been building ourselves behind the scenes. So essentially our customers, they don't want to navigate and have to build new systems to handle, to hold, send and receive digital assets on the large part. So a lot of our focus is looking at how can we take the technology, use it in the background ourselves to improve the services we give to our customers, and take away the burden, abstract the complexity, and just take the good stuff, bring it to our clients, and we'll handle the difficult stuff in the background to a large extent. That's how we're trying to navigate this space. I found it tremendous. I mean, after COVID, it's been hard to find events with a buzz in the room like we've seen today. I've been in the RegTech space for a number of years, and outside of the 2016 to 2018 period when we had PSD2 and GDPR coming to life, I've never seen it so vibrant. So the caliber of companies, the quality of conversations that are going on to help the industry come together and figure out the challenges that they have across digital assets, across MICA, as we've spoken about, and all the new real-time payment systems globally. Digital onboarding is still a challenge. KYC and AML is not going anywhere. This is where you'll see things figured out, collaboration happening to drive the industry forward. So it's been fantastic.